Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Keeping business account is one of the most complex and difficult tasks in our daily life. From tracking purchases and sales to monitoring profits, losses, and cash flow, handling everything efficiently can be quite a challenge. To solve this problem with ease, Hisabpotro has brought you the perfect solution. Now all your business accounts can be managed in one place and you can access all the information with just a single click. Let's explore the key features of the HiabPotro app and see how it can transform the way you manage your business. After logging into the HiabPotro app, you will see an excellent and interactive business panel which will display today's sale, cash on hand, today's purchase, total payables, and daily expenses that helping you make quick and confident decisions. Below this, you will see a graphical representation of annual sales, which will help you understand how your business is progressing over time. You will also find quick access tabs for important features like settings, recent transactions, expenses pie chart, and the quick menu so that you can get to the right information faster. Now let's see how a user can add their business details to the app in just a few simple steps. To add business details, we need to tap on Settings from the sidebar. From here, you can adjust various preferences, like changing the app's language or updating your profile information. Next, select the option called Business Details. A new window will open where you can begin entering key information about your business. Enter your business name if you have one. Then, provide your business address, whether it's a permanent or temporary location. As we know, capital is essential to start any business, so you can enter your initial capital amount here. In the next field, you can add your business identification number and select the currency your business operates in. Once all the information is filled in accurately, simply tap the Save icon at the top to securely store your business details. Now, let's go over how to add a customer, supplier or product in the HiabPotro app. From the left sidebar, you will find menus for customers, suppliers, and products. Tapping on any of these will take you to the corresponding list, such as customer list, supplier list, or product list. To add a new entry, tap on the Add icon below. This will open a new window where you can input all the necessary details. For a customer, you can enter the customer's name, mobile number, address, and email, the contact person's name or business contact if applicable, and the opening balance if there is one. Once all the information is filled out correctly, tap the Save icon at the top to store the details. You can follow the same process to add detailed information for the suppliers and products. To view transaction details for any customer, supplier or product, simply tap the arrow icon beside the item. On the next screen, select your preferred date range and tap Show Report. A detailed ledger report will appear then, giving you a complete view of all related transactions. Now, let's learn how a user can record a purchase, whether it's made in cash or credit. Tap on the purchase invoice from the sidebar. On the next screen, select Cash Purchase from the top tab. Then tap the Add icon at the bottom to start a new entry. This opens a purchase form where you will fill in the required details. By default, today's date will appear in the date field, though you can change it if needed. Next, enter the receipt or invoice number as a reference, and then choose the supplier from whom you are purchasing. Let's say you are buying product in cash from supplier A. To add product to the invoice, tap the Add icon. On the following screen, select the desired product, enter the quantity, purchase price, and any applicable discount. Once done, tap Save to add the product to the invoice. You can repeat this step to add multiple products as needed. After entering all the product and purchase details, tap the Save icon at the top to save the transaction. At this stage, the purchase will be in a saved state. That means it will not be added to the ledger. While in the saved state, you will be able to edit the purchase information. When you are ready to finalize it, go to the purchase list, tap the kebab icon beside the entry and select Update Ledger. To purchase in credit or installments, tap on Credit Purchases from the top tab. Then tap the add icon at the bottom. This opens a new form where you will need to enter the purchase details. The date field will automatically show today's date, but you can change it if needed. Then enter a receipt or invoice number if you have one. Next, select the supplier from whom you are making the purchase. For example, let's say we are purchasing item on credit from supplier B. To add product to the purchase, tap the add icon. On the next screen, select the product, enter the quantity, purchase price, and any applicable discount. Then tap save icon. You can continue adding multiple products this way. Once all the details are complete, tap the save icon at the top to save the transaction. At this point, the purchase is in a saved state, meaning it hasn't yet been posted to the ledger. You can still review or modify the information while it's in this state. When you are ready to finalize, go to the purchase list. Tap the three-dot menu beside the saved entry and choose Update Ledger. Now, since this was a purchase on credit, you will need to make payments to the supplier over time. So next, let's look at how to record a cash payment to a supplier in the Hisabpotro app. To make a cash payment to a supplier, tap on Payment from sidebar. Then tap the Add icon at the bottom of the screen to open a new payment entry form. Here you will need to select the payment date, choose the account from which the cash will be paid, and select the supplier you will be making the payment to. If you have a reference like voucher or payment number, you can include it in the next field. Finally, enter the amount and tap Save to record the payment. Just like purchases, this payment will be saved initially and won't reflect in the ledger until you finalize it. So, tap kebab icon beside the payment and select Update Ledger. Similarly, you can record customer refund, other payments, or general business expenses. To view transaction details for a particular supplier, simply go to the supplier list, tap the arrow icon on the right side of the supplier's name, select date range and tap Show Report to view a full transaction history. If you ever need to return a cash purchases, tap the return option from the kebab icon on the right side of the purchase entry. Fill in the return details and save it. Like other entries, this return will first be in a saved state and must be updated to the ledger by selecting Update Ledger. In the next step, we will learn how a user can record a sales, whether it's a cash sale or credit. To make a cash or credit sales, tap on Sales Invoice from the sidebar. On the next screen, select Cash Sales from the tab. Then tap the Add icon at the bottom to begin a new sales entry. Enter the date of sales, add a reference or invoice number if available, then select the customer you are selling to. For example, we are selling product to customer A for cash. To add items to this sales, tap the Add icon. On the next screen, select the product, enter the quantity, mention the price, add any applicable discount. Then tap Save to add it to the sales list. You can repeat this process to add multiple products to the same sale. Once all product details are filled in, tap the Save icon at the top. At this point, the sale will be saved but yet not posted to a ledger, meaning you can still edit it if needed. To finalize the entry, tap the kebab menu icon next to the sales and select Update Ledger. Now, let's learn how to record a sale on credit in the HiabPotro app. Tap on Credit Sales from the top tab. Then tap the Add icon, where you will fill in the required details. For example, let's say we are selling products on credit customer B. Tap the Add icon, select the product, and enter its quantity, sale price, discount if applicable. Then tap Save to add the product to the list. You can repeat this step to include multiple products in the same invoice. Since this was a credit sales, the customer B will pay the amount later. Let's see how to record a cash payment from a customer when that payment is received. To receive cash, tap on the Receipts option from the sidebar. Then tap on the Add icon below and a new window will open. Next, we need to select the payment date. Select the account where the payment will be received and select the customer. If there is any reference, you can mention it and save the receipt with the payment amount. Similarly, you can record other receipt information, supplier refund, and to update the information in the ledger, you must tap on Update Ledger. Now, let's see how a user can add a bank account, cash account, or expense category in the HiabPotro app. From the sidebar, tap on the account. On the next screen, you will see 3 tabs. Select a tab based on the type of account you want to add. For example, to add a bank account, tap on the Bank Accounts tab. Then tap the Add icon at the bottom of the screen. A new window will open where you will need to enter the required details. Enter the name of the bank account, then provide the account code or number. In the next field, if there is any opening balance, mention it here. Once all the information is filled in correctly, tap on the Save icon. In the same way, you can also easily add cash accounts and expense categories. Sometimes cash transfers are required for business purpose. In that case, tap on the transfer option from the sidebar. On the next screen, tap on the tab according to the type of transfer you want to record. Then, by tapping on the Add icon below, a new window will open. Here you can save the details of the transfer by specifying the date, reference, and amount. Let's see how you can view reports in the HiabPotro app. To view reports, tap on the Reports option from the sidebar. Here you will find several standard reports such as trial balance, statement of financial position, statement of profit or loss, statement of cash flows, statement of receipts and payments. To view a specific report, simply tap on a report you want to see and select the desired time period. Now, let's learn how to select a reporting period and apply comparisons. First, in the date field, specify up to which month of the year you want to view the report. To define the reporting period, select a time range. This can be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. If you want to compare the report across different time periods, you will need to select a comparison range. For example, if you choose 1 month period and select a comparison range of 2, the system will compare the current month with the previous month by account category. If you choose 1 year period and select a comparison range of 3, the system will generate a report comparing the current year, the previous year, and the year before that, side by side in the 3 columns by account category. With Hisabpotro app, managing your business becomes easier and more organized. To get started, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Hisabpotro and download the app to begin your smart business journey. After installation, tap on the Register and fill the required details to create an account. Once registration is complete, a verification link will be sent to your email. Just confirm the link, then your account will be activated. You can enjoy a 30-day free trial to explore the features of the app. To help new users, the app also includes a user guide with step-by-step instructions to navigate every important feature with ease.